Hey everybody, and welcome to the wood shop. Today, it's a little bit different. We're going to be building a photoquarium out of this plexiglass. Now, what is a photoquarium? A photoquarium is where you will take this clear plexiglass box out into the field with you to catch and release fish. So you'll actually catch the fish, place it in the photoquarium. It'll have a reference scale inside so you can get accurate pictures and accurate measurements for a later carving. Then the fish can revive itself and you can release it. This plexiglass was given to me and it is 1/4 inch thick. You can pick a lot of this stuff up at any box store. So I'm going to use the bandsaw to cut out these pieces and then assemble the box. And I'll show you a very cool little product that will hopefully help make this thing watertight. But yeah, plexiglass. It's a little different, but we'll get through this. Maybe. So this is the part I'm nervous about because it's not like wood with this stuff. To actually apply this, you use the little injector under that little cap. It's a needle that you fill, loosely clamp your workpiece, and then open the seams just slightly while it's still in the clamps. So you can actually watch the applicator push that weld on into the seam. And it actually does it very, very easily. You can watch it happen. Once all seams are done, you're just lightly applying clamping pressure and then trying to just keep that bond tight. With a little clamping pressure, it actually bonds very quickly. So the tighter your joints, the better, and you're good to go. All right, it is 24 hours later and it kind of looks like a Gallagher show in here because I honestly don't have a clue how this is going to turn out. There's going to be pressure building up in this container. I am trusting that the acrylic weld-on stuff is going to hold. I have no idea. What I do know is I have 3 gallons of water right here that is hopefully going to end up in this tank and that it's not going to leak all over. But just in case, plastic tarp. Let's unclamp this thing. Before I do this, I will say it looks like it will hold water. Like these seams actually appear to be, well, kind of melded together, welded acrylically. Anyways, I'm gonna pour water and you might hear me scream. So one of my takeaways after pouring a bunch of water in this thing is that it holds up really well. There is absolutely no leakage yet, and I don't think it's going to. Yeah, I'm gonna slap a little scale in here and we're gonna be off to fishing. So this photoquarium turned out exactly like I hoped it would. It has a scale inside of it so I can just place the fish I just caught into it and it can be revived there, ready to be released. But in the meantime, I can get high quality photos that will then translate into a carving later. So photoquarium build, this is the smaller one that I put together after the one you saw me do in the shop. And it seems to be working beautifully. This little trout is gonna revive itself and I'm gonna let him go. So hopefully you can incorporate this type of design into your own fishing so you can also document and safely release all those fish. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Oh, and subscribe.